Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
A.I Google Hack review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about a software called A.I Google Hack. So this is an A.I Google Hack review, and right now we are on the sales page, and then we have the demo video which is quite long, 55 seconds long. In this demo video nobody is talking what they're doing, so you have to understand everything on your own. What I will be doing is I will be playing this video for 55 seconds. They did not bother to explain anything verbally, so I don't care about this thing either. So I will shut up and watch the video for 55 seconds, understand everything on your own, and I'll be right back after that. Oh, short trip. That was done, right? So I'm sure you have understood everything on your own. It was so painful to watch this much long video actually. So let's see what's the name of the website is gamingarena.aigoogleapp.com. It's too lengthy. So gamingarena.ai Google App. Okay, so gaming arena dot what was that, AI Google app.com. Let's see if I got it right. Right now we're having trouble, so let's check the spelling. So it's again gaming arena.ai Google with single G, is it? Yes, Google with with single O. So AI joggle app.com. So let me correct that. Let's joggle here now instead of Google. And it's working now, so let's get here. So you will be creating websites like these if you go and buy the software, and then by miracle, I don't know what's gonna happen here. If you create these websites on this domain called aigoogleapp.com, and I have no idea how will you make money with this. Why would somebody come here and what's all this bullshit? Okay, anyways, if you come on the sales page here, it says new breakthrough. This $900 billion hack pays us whenever someone clicks world's first A.I app that hacks Google's hidden loophole, paying them this much every time someone clicks without creating or promoting anything. No skills or no bullshit. Okay, I don't want to waste my breath on this. Let me show their past history so that I will save my burden on this. So if you go to the profile of this vendor called Fulton, recognize the names, recognize the faces, come here down below. Seun, Ogundele, and Jason Fulton, these are known scammers, serial launchers, and you can see here they have launched 30 products so far, and every single one of them is supposed to make money for you here. AI machine, rapid, this and garbage. Okay, so if any of these things were supposed to make money, then the next thing will not be needed. That's how you have to understand. So this is the job they have in the hand, because they have an email list. You see here 160,000 idiots into their email list. What can you say? Nothing, right? I can save those people who are going to come and watch my videos. I cannot go and save these 2,000 people here. I can't save these 2,000 idiots here. I cannot save these 1,000 fools here. Okay, so you have to come to me, find my video somehow if you want to save your money and get back to your senses. So I guess my review is done here, but let's get to the bottom of the sales page so that we will go through some stupid question answers. Again guys, remember the names and recognize the faces. I have told you a million times already. All right, where are we? So we have the questions. Do I need experience? How many times do I tell you that you do not need experience to lose money? Is there a monthly cost? No, there's no monthly cost, but you will have to go through these upgrades. 30 products, my goodness. These are those OTOs here somewhere. Let's see. There are the otos. This is the funnel, okay? And you're supposed to buy something and they are not even willing to explain their product. The demo video is for 55 seconds long, and even in this video, nobody's talking. And what will you get out of by creating this fucking website? What's happening here, man? How long does it take to make money? First sale, same day? Oh my God. Bastards. Do I need to purchase anything else for it to work? Nope. Just buy these 30 grids, buy everything here. That's it. What are you paying for? $297 for what? $197 for what? Okay, holy shit. What if I failed? How can I get started? The buy now button right here. Okay. As I said, my review was done as soon I have shown you the faces of these scammers and the names, okay? As soon you see the faces and the names, job done. No need to waste your time in doing your research or watching anybody else's videos, okay? If you watched someone else's videos who was giving you some 4 bonuses in your ass, stop it. Stop your... Okay, so we don't have anything else to talk about in this video. So let's talk about some common sense, okay? Why do you think that everybody is in the same zone? You know, if you go and watch videos from other YouTubers, okay? So this thing is going to launch on 21st of March. I am doing an early review. You would be lucky if you will find this video, okay? So other people who will be doing the review for AI something hack, they will be same, those videos will be same stupid videos. Monotonous, you know, nothing different. You know, everybody will be saying, hey, this is my bonus page, go below the video, I'm giving this bonus in your bum, I'm giving this bonus in your pussy, and I don't know what they're offering. Don't you see? You don't make money if you buy AI Google Hack. You make money if you sell this. If I decide to sell this thingy to you by giving you some bonuses in your bum, I will make money, you will make nothing. What can't you see? Are you blind? Class dismissed. So don't buy this. This is bullshit, okay? And what you will be getting by creating websites like these. For example, if I go and maybe let's copy this domain aigoogleapp.com and check the domain authority of this domain, it will be 000 probably. Let's just cross check. You see 000, it has no presence in Google, okay? Then you check when this domain was registered. So you go to whois.com and then you come here and you paste the URL or the domain name, and this was registered just a week ago, 3 days ago, man. Not even a week. I am doing the review on 19th of March, and this was registered with a Namecheap on 16th of March. This has got no presence, so the only way you could bring some traffic to this if you go and spam this in Facebook or somewhere else. Get a life. Please get a life. Please. I have a suggestion for you people, if you don't mind. I do have a very good suggestion. Your kids, your grandkids, they go to school, right? They go to school, they go to college. You go with them. That is what I'm going to recommend to you people. If your child is in school, like class 5, class 6, class 7, class 8, you have to make some arrangement. Go and spend some time in the school with the kid in his classroom. Not for fun, for studies. Go and study, man. Start from your childhood. If your son, your kid, your grandkid is in the college, in the uni, is in the school, please go and sit next to him or her and attend her or his classes, please. You need to start from scratch. Your mind is, I don't know what has happened to your brain. How do you believe on this shit? I have no idea. I don't know what to say. I'm trying my best to keep you out from, I can't stop these people. The problem is not with these people. For example, you come here. You come to this page, okay? The job of this 1 or 2 people, these 2 scammers, they only make you to come on this page, okay? So their job is done as soon they make you come to this page. But the actual problem lies inside you, because you are the person who takes out your credit card from his or her wallet and you punch in the card numbers and you pay them. They don't steal your card numbers. Their job is done as soon they have made you come to this page. So I don't blame them. I blame you thousands of idiots here, you see? I can't save everybody. You have to come to me to save yourself. And if you follow my suggestion, please go to school with your kid. There's no shame in that. If you are 50 years old, 60 years old, that's fine, man. talk to the principal of the school or to the class teacher and say, I want to come here for maybe a couple of hours every day, sit with the kids and want to learn something. Because if you don't, then this will keep happening to you the rest of your life. I am very sorry to say that. My ideas are out of the world, but they will work. Who knows? You might learn something innovative in the class, in the uni, in the college. Who knows? And you don't have to pay extra for that. Just say, if you don't mind, just talk to the principal, just talk to the dean, just talk to the class teacher, just say, if you don't mind, please, I want to come to school with my kid and in his classroom, and I just want to study as well. If they charge you some fees, give them some fees. But do it. It's going to help you. Nothing else to talk in this video. Okay, you want to make money online? No problem. I'll help you to make some money online, okay? So come out of this bullshit here. As soon you know the names, Jason, Fulton, and whatever, and you see the faces, just go and buy. That's it. That will make my job a lot easier. If you start remembering the name and if you start recognizing the faces, then TubeCore will not have to come and stop you every time, okay? At the same time here, why am I making these videos? Because I want to tell you, making money online is possible as soon you start working. Okay, for example, I am making this YouTube video. You have seen this YouTube video. In this YouTube video, you must have seen some ads. When you see those ads, my money is made whether I sell you something or not. Okay, so if you check out the second link here in the description, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis. This Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I am doing right now on YouTube. It will help you to make these reviews and it will help you to get your YouTube channel monetized within a month so that you can start making money without even selling anything. And this Traffic Jarvis will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are necessary to get if you want to monetize your YouTube channel and want to make money without selling. Okay, so if you want to do exactly what I'm doing, affiliate marketing and everything, so then go and get Traffic Jarvis. And the first link says here, make money on autopilot with Forex trading. Now, Forex trading is like currency trading. So if you take a look at this machine here, the graph and everything. So we use a software and we will install that software on the graph. Then I will give the settings to the software and that software will be working on autopilot and doing trading, and it will be like buying low, selling high, buying low, selling high, buying low, selling high, stuff like that. Okay, so this works on autopilot. Now you don't have to have every knowledge about the concept, but what you can do is click on the first link here, come on this page, enter your email address, enter your name, then click on unlock syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. Watch 2 videos there. Watch 2 videos on the sales page, and then if you have any questions, you can contact me on Skype. But do watch those videos. Don't contact me without watching those 2 videos, okay? Because after watching those videos, you will understand what this shit is all about, okay? This program will make your money 70% profits every week on autopilot without doing anything, because I will be managing this on your behalf. I will be setting up the machine, the graph, the software, everything. I will be doing it on your behalf. I will be keeping 30% profits and you will be keeping 70% profits weekly for doing nothing, literally nothing. You don't have to do anything or know anything, okay? So go and check out those 2 videos first after entering the information so that you know what I'm talking about, right? Second option, as I told you, Traffic Jarvis will require you to work manually on YouTube and make YouTube videos. But option 1 is very, very exciting for those people who don't want to work manually. Anyways, in the end, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell thingy, and if you want to support and contribute, you may click on super thanks. And in the end, I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube, Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything, okay? So before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers, okay? You need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far. And when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube traffic service, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the traffic service video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already, and experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for Traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.